Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share a new airdrop. Its name Flow3 and this project has raised 22 million US dollar, and in this airdrop we have to just sign up with our Solana wallet, and we have to just download extensions from Chrome, and the links are given in the Telegram channel. So just go to the dashboard and you have to download the extension. Also, I have already downloaded this extension, and then go to the extensions and connect your wallet. Here you can see the option connect. Just click on this button and sign in with your Solana wallet like Phantom. Here you can see it has detected Phantom wallet, and we have to sign in our wallet. So to unlock, I entered the password. It is very simple to join this airdrop. You just have to sign in with your wallet and download the extension and connect with the wallet. And there have some social tasks also, and you can also earn through refer code. So if you have friends and family, you can share your link. And here you can see the dashboard and referral airdrops, and here you can get your referral link. So if you refer to anyone, you will get 10% of the referral. So make sure you have referred some friends and family members. And here you can see, after go to the airdrop section, you can see several tasks here: daily check-in and social tasks. So just complete one by one. So these tasks are very simple. You just click on the task and just follow, retweet, like this. That's it. Here you can see, after completing the task, here you can see the tick mark also, and the total points earned is increasing after completing the task. So make sure you have complete all the tasks given here, and please make sure to do subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our social handle. Thank you everyone.